Hey everyone, this is Titash and today I'm back with another podcast on Brains Ki Baat. Today I'm going to review about Mind the Malhotras, Rishabh Malhotra and Shefali Malhotra and their family of comprising of Jia Malhotra, Johan Malhotra and Dia Malhotra. They are actually Shefali and Rishabh's children, and how they spice up their marriage life and how they manage the entire family among all adversities and everything. That's all the story is about. So the story actually starts like Shefali's 3 4 friends have already got divorced and they are really tensed about the fact that whether they get divorced or not, and so they go to a therapist. The therapist listens to them, the therapist, Dr. Gulfam, listens to them very carefully and tries to analyze the situation and sometimes gives a lot of reviews about it and also recommends them some remedies to it. But the Malhotras are not very okay with the remedies and they cannot implement the remedies very successfully. But still that they don't have a lot of conversation going on between them. Any conversation they are having turns out into a fight. So that's how the Malhotras are trying to stabilize the situation and everything. So yeah, that's all the story is about. It's really funny, but it's also very ordinary. So you can just go for a one-time watch for it because it's not that it's a regular kind of a series of a family which you can see in day-to-day life. Like you can relate a lot if you have your parents always bickering with each other. It's very relatable stuff. So yeah, you can watch it like that. So that's all about Mind the Malhotras. After a long time, I'm seeing Cyrus Shahukar, who is in the role of Rishabh Malhotra, and I have seen Mini Mathur. They have both nailed their positions, and they are really, really good. And I really like the role of the Dr. Gulfam. He has also tried to stabilize the situation, and listening to these two bickering couples is also a great deed of job. Like it's a great deal, it takes a huge patience, and the role is completely justified by the actor, and it's so well acted. Like acting wise, I'd say it was a good series, and as a series I won't be able to mark it as a 10 or something like that, but yeah, I'll definitely give it a 6.5 because of the technicalities which were not so good. You can check it out when you watch it, and it's damn relatable if you are a married couple and if you are seeing the married couples bickering together. This series is actually going to tell you about how it is to be married and how different your life changes from being a couple to a married couple. You can see they are always bickering. You will now understand the reason why they are bickering so much. So yeah, just go and watch it. There are 9 episodes to this series. It's really, really good. So I, as of I have said, it's a one-time watch, so just go and watch it on the Amazon Prime Videos. And if you are not getting it in Amazon Prime Videos, no problem. The streaming link is down in the description box below. So yeah, that's about Mind the Malhotra season 1. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think about this video and what do you think about Mind the Malhotra season 1. Do they deserve a season 2? And also we have done a lot of Amazon Prime reviews such as Pushpa Valli, Comic Stan. The links and the description box below. Go and check it out. It's really good. And also we are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, everywhere. The links and the description below. Go and check it out. Like our page, subscribe to our channel, share us, follow us, show us some love. And yeah, I'll be back with another podcast very, very soon. This is Titash signing off from Brains Ki Baat. Bye.